Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this week's exploration of the solar system, we are going to talk about the Hisaki spacecraft and look at its studies of other planets. So let's go ahead and get started. The planets of our solar system are not isolated worlds. They are constantly influenced by the sun, by solar wind, and by changing conditions of space. These interactions can shape planetary atmospheres, aurora, and even the long-term evolution of a planet's climate. To understand these processes, scientists need more than snapshots. They need continuous observations over long periods of time. In 2013, the Japanese space agency JAXA launched Hisaki, also known as Sprint A. Unlike many spacecraft, Hisaki did not travel to another planet. Instead, it remained in orbit around Earth, acting as a space telescope designed specifically to study planetary atmospheres. Its main instrument observed in the ultraviolet, a part of the spectrum especially useful for studying gases in upper atmospheres, auroras, and interactions with the solar wind. From its orbit, Hisaki observed several planets, including Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, and Mars. By studying these worlds in ultraviolet light, the spacecraft could detect specific atmospheric gases, changes in auroral activity, and signs of atmospheric escape. At Jupiter, Hisaki monitored the planet's powerful auroras, which are driven by both the solar wind and interaction with its moons. These observations help scientists understand how planetary atmospheres respond to changing space conditions. One of Hisaki's greatest strengths was its ability to watch planets continuously. Many missions provide only brief snapshots during flybys or limited orbital passes. Hisaki, however, could observe the same planet for long stretches of time. This allowed scientists to track changes in auroras, variations in atmospheric composition, and the effects of solar storms. In this way, Hisaki acted as kind of a space weather monitor for the planets. Hisaki's observations became even more valuable when combined with data from other spacecraft. For example, at Jupiter, it worked alongside NASA's Juno mission. At Mars, its observations complemented data from MAVEN. It also observed Venus during overlapping mission timelines. While orbiters measured conditions locally, Hisaki provided a global ultraviolet view of each planet. Together, these observations gave scientists a more complete picture of how planetary atmospheres behave. Hisaki showed the power of long-term continuous observations of planetary atmospheres. From its orbit around Earth, it watched the changing ultraviolet glow of distant worlds, tracking how they responded to the sun and to space weather. Hisaki transformed the way we monitor planetary atmospheres, turning snapshots into long-term stories of change across the solar system. So that concludes this week's exploration of the solar system on the Hisaki spacecraft. We'll be back again next week for another exploration of the solar system video. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.